Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to make a rules channel in Discord and explain why it's important for managing members properly. Step 1. Click the drop-down arrow next to your server name and open Server Settings, which is where you control all major server features. From the left side, select Enable Community and click Get Started to unlock tools like Rules Screening. Step 2. Follow the setup prompts by verifying your email, choosing a content filter, and selecting an existing channel or letting Discord automatically create one for rules and updates. This step is required so Discord knows where members will read important information. Step 3. After Community is enabled, go to Moderation and then Safety Setup, or Community Overview, depending on your layout. Find the option that says members must accept rules before they can talk or send DMs and click Setup to continue. Step 4. Write your server rules in the provided slots where you can add up to 16 clear rules for members to follow. Once finished, click Save so new members must accept these rules before chatting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech tutorials.